Welcome back to Venture Power Sports Channel. We just wanted to show you what we did to this Defender HD10 Pro XT package. It's already came with winch and a bumper, and I believe the roof. So customer wanted to add a front corner protectors, the doors, rock sliders, the rear bumper, front and rear window, and the mirror. Everything is what I just named. That's the CANAM parts, except for he also wanted to add a heater. He didn't want to pay much money, so we went an aftermarket heater. It's an INFERNO heater. It is a good reviews about that INFERNO heater, and we installed a couple of them. Not couple, actually, more than just a couple. They are good heaters, so we just went that way. Let's just go down what it is and just so you can see what we installed. The doors, CANAM doors, just so you see, it's a lockable door. Each door has a key in case the lock's gonna break. They not share the same key, so you can, if something's, God forbid, something's gonna happen with the door and you need to change the door, you just you get the door with the key. So the door, it's easy to open and close. Like I said, it's really nice. Has bottom is a plexi part made out of plastic. The top is glass, sliding back and forth. Front slides and the back slides. So really nice doors. The heater. If you look inside of the heater, there's INFERNO. You have a high and low. You have vents that you can adjust. The vents blow towards you, away from you. There are also another 2 vents down the bottom, right there in that spot. You also have a defrosters in here, which defrost your window. Mirror right here is your passenger door. It's really nice to open. It's really nice door. We're really impressed with that. You don't have to use a lot of force, like for example the canvas doors, which a lot of people do install them because they're cheaper, but these doors are nice. Let's go down. There's the window. It's 2-position window, so you can have some air coming inside of the cab. You close the window or you open it all the way up. Here we go. You can have a full-blown wind in your face. Corner protectors, a nice corner protectors, easy to install. Has a bracket on one side and the other side, and it just gets inside of the bumper, and this part is easy to install. You just take the panel off. Same for the rock sliders. Rock sliders a little bit more. You probably want to have a couple of people to help. Another person to help you, but it's easy to install. It's a nice CANAM rock sliders. Customer wanted to go with the tube one, not the one that just hug you at the bottom of your machine. Going to the rear bumper. The nice CANAM rear bumper again. It mounts to your bed. You gotta buy for this particular model. You have to buy the extenders because the bed is longer. As an additional part for the bumper, it doesn't come with the bumper. Also, you have an ability to put the mud flaps. And mud flaps is, again, you have to buy separate. Nice. This is a nice bed, lawn bed. I'm sure a lot of people who down south, they can make something out of this bed and make a nice riding machine, a nice enclosed camper maybe. It's a nice machine. We love pros in here. Lots of storage as well. So this particular model, because it's XT model, it has an electronic tilt bed, so it just works from the inside of the cab with the press of a button. So it goes up, it goes down. When you enclose your machine, of course, you want to have a rear window, a windshield. This is just a plexi one, nothing special. A lot of people use plexi because it's cheaper and it's easy to install, unlike the glass one. more expensive. So yeah, this is the build that we made. Again, this is Venture Power Sports, and we made this build, and I'm gonna add some of the ways to how we install everything. If you guys interested to watch that, if not, then just enjoy the channel. Thank you and have a good day.